January starts the year fresh and new. Snow is falling, sky so blue. February brings love so sweet. Hearts are warm when lovers meet. 12 months, 12 ways to shine. Seasons change but love stays fine. Through the highs and through the lows, every month a story grows. March comes in with windy days. Springtime starts, the flowers play. April showers start to pour, but the sunshine brings us more. 12 months, 12 ways to shine. Seasons change but love stays fine. Through the highs and through the lows, every month a story grows. May is bright with blossoms tall. Birds are singing, hear them call. June arrives with summer heat, longer days and dancing feet. July sparks the fire in the sky, fireworks and freedom fly. August brings those golden days, beachside fun and ocean waves. Seasons turn, time moves fast, make each moment truly last. Every month has something new, a little magic just for you. September's leaves turn red and gold, crisp fall air and stories told. October chills with pumpkin spice, Halloween is full of fright.